Hi guys, it's Grace here. So today I'm going to show you how to peel an onion and how to slice it and dice it. But we're gonna go through that, okay? So here we go. So first thing that you need to do is to cut off the butt. This way, it will give you a stability of not going like that. But if you do it like that, then it's easier. It's stable. It's not gonna go, wiggle like that. So the first thing to do is to remove the butt. Next is to cut it in half, like a half moon. The thing that I do is I usually peel, now the head here. What I do is I usually peel the first layer. Okay? The top, remove the top. There. Now, we are ready to slice. Okay. So when I slice, it's either you go through here or you go through here. Okay? So let's start slicing. So what I do, since I'm cooking spaghetti, it doesn't matter because I'm going to dice it anyway. But maybe if you're cooking noodles or anything with long ingredients, then maybe I advise you to cut the onions too the same way as the other vegetables, so it looks nice and it's it's uniform. So let's start slicing. So how I hold my onion so it doesn't keep on moving is, see how my thumb is here pressing onto the onion and my thumb is also resting on the cutting board. Turn it around. Make sure that your knuckles are curved in. That way, when you slice, see, it's not gonna cut your fingers or your nails off because it is against the blade of the knife. So it goes like that, goes like that, goes like that. Okay, this comes with practice, guys. So let's start. So move down. Now that you have slices of onions. Now how to dice this? Dicing an onion. What you do is you gather all the onions together and then you just turn it around. Okay? What we are looking for is just pretty much squares of onions. Okay? So put it all together and then cut. And then cut. So I'll show you what we're looking for here. What we are looking for here is this kind. Okay? There you go. And one more time. That's it. So that's how you slice and peel, slice and dice an onion. Until next time, bye!